So OpenAI are rolling out a new memory system that is better at staying up to date so responses feel more relevant and personalized. Now, when enabled, memory helps ChatGPT automatically remember useful context from your chats, files, and connected apps to help personalize your experience so you won't have to repeat yourself as often. Memory controls are available if you left click, go to settings, and if you click personalization, then you scroll on down. Here you can manage your memory summary. Click manage, and here's where you'll be able to see the information that ChatGPT remembers in the memory summary. While the memory summary should capture the most important details, it won't include everything that ChatGPT remembers based on your chats. If you want to know if ChatGPT has remembered something, you could just ask it in the chat, and the memory summary is automatically updated with new context as you chat with ChatGPT. What you'll notice as well is that atop the memory summary, it will indicate when it was last updated, such as 2 hours ago. Mine here was updated just 5 minutes ago. Now, if you'd like to make edits to your memory summary, you can type what you want changed into the text box at the bottom of the memory summary and it will update accordingly. So let me update this by saying I'm focusing on my fitness, which I currently am, and being an active person. Here you can see it's actually updated and it now says you're focused on fitness and being an active person. Now, what's really cool is that you can actually highlight any text in the memory summary and make a specific correction, or select don't mention this again, and ChatGPT will work to avoid bringing up that detail in the future replies unless you explicitly ask about it. So if I highlight the fact that I'm lactose intolerant, which is pretty hilarious, I can say don't mention this again, and now you can see that that is completely gone. Or I can highlight something else and then I can make a correction. Of course, mine is completely accurate, so I don't need to make a correction. But if you do see something that you do need to make a correction on, you're able to do so. Now let's take a look at memories and sources. You can see what sources were used to personalize a response, such as custom instructions, your past chats, files, and memories by tapping this icon right here called sources below the response. Tapping on this will open an explanation as to why that memory was used to personalize a response. You can also make a correction or select don't mention this again by tapping the 3 dots on the menu. And here you can see you're given the option to see if this is relevant or not relevant, so in future it'll make better choices. Of course, you can always make a correction if it did make a mistake, or you could say don't mention this again if it's something you don't like the AI bringing up. Now here are some commonly asked questions about memory. Will sensitive information appear in memory? Sensitive information may appear in memory if you share it with ChatGPT. If you don't want sensitive information from a chat to be used to personalize responses, you can turn off memory or use temporary chats. Temporary chats do not use existing memories or create new memories. To create a temporary chat, just click in the top right hand corner and you can see this strange chat icon. Once you click that, the black box will pop up. And this is going to be a chatbot / version of ChatGPT where the chats won't appear in history or be used to train the models. And so this is where you can essentially use ChatGPT without it saving anything. However, just to note, for safety purposes, they may keep a copy of that chat for up to 30 days. Now, some people may ask, why don't I see anything in my memory summary? You might not see anything in your memory summary just yet if your account is new or you recently enabled memory. As you use ChatGPT more, your memory summary should populate over time, and you can refresh your memory summary anytime in settings by doing this. Click settings, personalization, scroll down to your memory, click manage, and then what you can do is click the 3 dots here and then you can click refresh. For me, I've just updated it, so it's completely fine, but there will be a refresh icon here after you click the 3 dots so you can refresh it. Some people also may ask, does the memory summary include all my memories? Not necessarily. ChatGPT's memory is based on a continually updated synthesis of context from your past chats, which may be broader than what is shown as individual items in a summary. The memory summary gives you a high-level view of that synthesis to help you review and manage what ChatGPT remembers. Some details may not appear in that summary, including when ChatGPT determines they are less relevant or not appropriate in this view. Now, some people also may ask, is memory different from custom instructions? Custom instructions allow you to provide ChatGPT with direct guidance on what you'd like to know about and how you'd like to respond. You can check your custom instructions by going to settings, then going to personalization, and this is where it's going to essentially change how it responds to you. This is a little bit different from memory because memory essentially tailors responses based on your context, but custom instructions basically just says how the model is going to behave towards you, so it doesn't act in the wrong way.